All right, let's check out Google Sites here. So getting set up with your digital portfolio. So I am at sites.google.com/new. And you might be wondering why it's at new. No, it's not because I'm creating a new site, but they still have this thing where they've updated Google Sites, but they have this thing called Classic Sites, which was a long time ago that they're still keeping around. So for now, sites.google.com/new will get you to this page, which is where I want you to be. I'm going to go down in the lower right and click the plus button to create a new site. And here we go. So Google Sites are very, very easy to make and to customize a little bit. There's not a whole lot of customization, but you can make things look pretty nice, and it has a lot of really easy to use features. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to title this digital portfolio. So when I put it in here, that's the name of the site. The file you'll see up here, it has the name digital portfolio. And I could put my name in there if I wanted to, but it also gives this name right here. So another little name of the site right here, which you can leave there if you'd like. Also, you could take away. This is the page title. So a website is made up of different pages. Right now we only have one page. So I'm going to call this home. Yeah, this is going to be the home page. Okay, you know, like if you went to www.cvc.org, that page that you get to is the home page. It's the one that you go to first. It's the main one right there. So we're just going to call this one home. So let's look at some things that we can do. You'll see over here, there's a lot of different insert things in here. But I can also double click and I get this wheel, which gives me some different things. So there's a variety of ways that you can add things right here. For example, I could add a layout right here, which gives me something to either upload an image, embed a video, calendar, map, and it gives me some pre-formatted text right here. So I could use those things if I wanted. I'm going to just delete them though. Okay, I'm just going to add a text box. And if I click here, you can see my text box goes right here. And I can resize as needed. And there's little kind of guides, I would say, to help you lay things out and see different spacing and things like that. So I could do this. Hi, my name is Mr. DeGroat, and I could format this as a title. Maybe it's a heading for something on my page. I can align it, link it, a variety of things like that. Now I did that by clicking this text box, but I could also just double click and do text that way as well. So that's text right there. And I could do things like if I wanted to do a video, I could upload a video. Yours is going to look a little different because I'm on my Mac right now, but I could upload some videos or images right there. Or I could go down here, say it's straight from YouTube. I can click YouTube right here and I can search for a video right here. Or if I have uploaded some videos on my account already, my YouTube account, I could just grab them right here. So I could say like dinosaur and search this and select that and pop it in right there. And again, I get the option to resize and make it look exactly like I want. So that is a video right there. Now I could go to embed. And the nice thing about embedding is that it puts the video, this is an embedded video right here. So it puts the video on the site instead of actually going to someplace. So I could use the embed code, which is all just code that's been designed for web pages, makes it formatted. Or I could just say, hey, this is the address of what I want to embed, and Google will do that for me. So I could just do insert. And oops, I had an error. I would have to reload my browser to get that. So speaking of that, embedding things by the URL is actually a really good idea. Like if I want to put an image in here or a sound file or anything, even if it's in my Google Drive, I can do it by the URL. I just have to grab the link from up here and paste it in there. I could paste an entire web page. Like I could put in cvc.org right here. And I could put the whole page in here and we could see cvc.org right here. And if I share this out with people, they can view CVC's web page and navigate through it all through my page. So there are some things that are pretty cool like that. Notice a few different things like a button right here. I could put in a button, which is a name. I give it a name and a link. So I could say like email Mr. DeGroat, and that link would be mailed to, there's a little advance right here. That's some HTML right there. But I could resize this and it would, when you clicked it, it would open up your Gmail and start sending an email to me. So there's some different things. I could do things from my drive right here. So I can go with my drive and I can browse. I could search right there. I'm able to do all of these things just looking at my drive. I could go down here and just look at my docs, and this is going to be like if you went to your docs home screen. Like if you went to docs.google.com, it's only going to show your docs right there. So that's another way I could do that. I could do my sheets, anything like that. So there's a lot of stuff I could do. Images from my drive, I could upload or select things that I already have in my Google Drive. Just makes it super easy to put on here. Now, what I do want to show you though is that, like, let's say I'm gonna put this drawing on right here. I'm gonna click it and then click insert, and we'll see where that pops up right here. Okay, if I have not shared this actual file, okay, the actual file, the file in my drive, if I'm going to press publish here a moment, we'll press publish. I'm going to show you that, and then I am going to preview my site. Okay, if I have not published or shared this, it will not show up. Okay, so I'm going to show you if I'm going to take this, I'm going to open up a new incognito window so that I'm not there. And it actually looks like, oops, let me go back to my digital portfolio and back a page here. I'm gonna change my sharing settings on this, my publish settings right here. Publish. I'm gonna view my published site. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna go back to that incognito window here. We'll go here, and because I have not published it so anyone with the link can view, I haven't published my site like that, I'm not able to access it unless I sign in. So I'm going to click here and site info, oops, not that one, sorry. Publish settings. Oh, where are you? I'm going to unpublish. Okay, we're going to publish. Okay, and then I'm going to manage this. I'm going to make it so that anyone can find and view the published version here. Okay, we'll do that. Voila. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to that incognito window here. We'll do this. And right now I am not signed in. I'm not signed in. I'm just a random person visiting this site. And you'll notice that because of this right here, I didn't share it so anyone with the link can view. It's trying to open it. It can't view it because I don't have permission. I, as a user, don't have permission to view it, so it won't show it. So that's why it's important to change those things so that anyone with the link can view. Now, remember, you could do that by putting those things in their own folder. Like if you're going to put something on your site, add it to, maybe you have a digital portfolio folder that is shared so anyone with the link can view. And by putting things in that folder, it will automatically update right there. Other things I could do, I can add more pages. I just have to go to pages and click plus. So one thing right there, if I go right here, I can add a link. So there would just be a link right here. Like if I wanted a link right here and we do cvc.org, I could say CVC. This right here will now take me to cvc.org. It will take me away from my website. So I can add links as well. Or I can just add new pages and like say videos. Maybe I'm having one for videos. And in that, I am able to add a subpage as well. So maybe this is project 1 of my videos. So now this is, I could go to videos, but if I click right here, I get project 1. So I could have my project 1, project 2, project 3, all right there. So I can make those little subfolders as well to kind of organize some things so that this doesn't just get filled up so quickly. Notice there are, as I'm doing some things right here, you'll notice there's different options right here, which you can go ahead and kind of customize as you want. I could have side navigation like this, so I have this little bar right here, different things like that. There are also some themes, just some basic ones right now to where you can get some different types right here with some different color schemes and things like that. So there's not a whole lot of customization, but there are a little bit like that. One final thing is that if you're going to do this with other people, you want to click this plus button right here. And here's where you can add collaborators. So these are people who can work on the site with you. They're able to edit as well. Not just view it. Right now, anyone can find a view, but I could add other people to work on the site, add different pages, add their stuff here. The final thing, I guess, is that whenever you're done, for each page that you're working on, you would need to press publish in order for it to update. If you do not press publish, it's just going to be the last time you publish it. So you may have added a bunch of different things, but if you don't press publish, none of that stuff will show. So I hope you have fun making your Google site, make it a little bit unique to you, and add your different things on there.